welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, we're going to play a little game between ourselves, just for fun, to see who knows the words to some of the most popular Christmas carols, or Christmas songs. So a song will start to play, and when it stops, each host must sing the correct words to the songs. All right, so...
What we're going to get? What you're going to give us?
Presents.
You're going to give us presents.
CE. Okay, so I'm going to go... I'm going to go for... I'm done.
No more joke.
No more joke.
Put back your seatbelt.
Okay, so the first one we're going to start is I Wish for All Mankind.
Okay. All right.
Really? Make we hear it.
We sing you. Merry Christmas. I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time.
Where there is no snow and the good sense in me that grow. I wish.
You know, this is not fair.
You see that sense in me part there? I'm my part there.
And that lady of his tear now.
I tell you.
Don't tell no more joke.
No, but I tell you, the sense in me that tree should have be Christmas tree in Jamaica. That should have been with Christmas tree. Everybody should have one in their house. With
next
lights,
song.
with
Next
pepper
song.
lights. Anyway.
What's the next song? You should be banned from the song part, you know.
Acho, go on.
The next one.
Next one.
The first Noel.
Let us sing it.
Angels did say, but to shepherds in fields where they lay.
No, in fields where they lay.
All right.
No,
all right.
no. That was right. Thank you.
In the fields where they lay.
Keeping
They lay keeping the sheep on a cold winter's night. That was so very deep.
What's my last name? What's my last name? Shepherd.
Manger.
Am I sang this?
Manger.
Am I sang this? You
Alright,
take my song.
sorry.
All
You
right.
can't call
Song
them on
number
Manger
three.
on TV.
Manger.
Oh, Jer.
Major. I heard
Craig,
major.
you're fired of that.
No, Craig
You're
is really,
fired.
yeah, I'm fired.
Okay, what's the next
Come
song?
on,
What's the next song?
Next song.
Boy, I study it.
I think that's 1-all. Long time ago
In Bethlehem,
so the Holy Bible say, hey, Mary's boy child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Heart now hear the angels
Born today. Now man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day.
Trumpet sound.
Hey.
I don't remember that part of the song.
Yes,
I don't remember that. What's the next one?
Next thing.
I think I'm
Yeah,
winning.
man, we're there on a roll now.
Let it snow.
Man.
I don't know no more on the song.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We don't know nothing about Dean Martin.
Let it
So let it snow.
Let it snow.
When the rain outside is falling.
If it doesn't show signs of stopping.
Umbrella.
All right, the
bought
next
some
song.
corn
What's
for
the next one? I
Poppy.
think it's fair to say none of us are familiar enough
We know the Let It
with
Snow part.
anything outside of the Let It Snow part.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it doesn't snow in Jamaica.
But that's okay.
But that's the chorus part.
That's all
That
we
is
need
where
to
the
know.
group, that is
That's
where
the
the
most
choir
important
come
part.
in.
That is
Agreed.
true.
Yeah.
What's
All
the
right,
next
next song.
one? Hey DJ. Ghetto. Hey. Ghetto.
On my part, that.
Turn it up.
I'm gonna play the piano, man. I'm gonna play drums. Drums.
See you in the presents, you're on TV.
Yeah.
Giving them out to some picnic.
Hey. I saw you go.
Is it because we don't have no money?
Santa Claus. Hey, do you ever come to the Hey, Santa. All right. I think we all.
Listen, if it not goes so, I feel
He's
you're
a
near
drummer,
it.
he's a drummer. They told me for
Hey. Here.
Okay.
Wait, I know the next part. I know. It goes like this. It's been a long time.
Long time.
Please, baby, won't you blow my mind? And then we say, gee whiz, gee whiz, it's Christmas. If it not go so,
I near so.
But you could ever know. Make dream come true. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you.
You're not unwrap this and give you. I tell you that.
Okay, so I think that's it now.
You will not
And
be
we did
unwrapping
well.
this.
We did really well. I hope you were able to get some of those songs too
You
with us,
did.
Yeah,
right?
some
But
song,
remember, if it's not so, it goes close to that. We
can't-
make up our own words for songs
some
nowadays,
of them-
right?
Some of them
the
songs,
joy.
boy, I can't agree with the message. All I want for Christmas is you. All them something.
No,
That's
way
too
at
much
all,
power
man.
that forget people.
We didn't find us.
You
I
know
saw
what?
mommy kissing Santa Claus. My mother not kissing no Santa Claus.
Maybe
You know what?
So Daytime Live will be right back. We'll have a
Denise
special
Diane.
guest
Stick and
coming
stay.
up. Soon come.
Stick and stay. Stick and stay.
Denise Babylon. Denise Babylon.